Well, good morning. This is Sunday, isn't it?
Sunday the 30th, 31st, 31st?
31.
31.
Okay. Kevin just finished putting on a hydraulic clutch on this 78 T140. And it is a work of art. It is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. I wanted to sleep with it last night, but he wouldn't let me. It's just a gorgeous piece of equipment. Just gorgeous. And the clutch is just, look at that. Oh my God, look at how smooth that is. Oh, I want it. Oh my goodness. So anyway, it's lovely. It's made by this company here, tripleunlimited.com. And I assume it's coming from England.
Yep.
The client purchased it. Kevin and I both decided we didn't want to get involved in purchasing this thing for fear of getting the wrong kit for the wrong bike. So the client did the purchase, brought it to Kevin, and he just finished the installation, and we are now going to do a test ride on it. And we are, how you like it? I keep dropping into that we stuff.
Yeah.
Kevin is going to do a test ride now.
Yeah.
And see how it goes. So we'll just stand out here and watch the exit. And, oh, it's hot today. Oh my goodness. Nice loud shorty pipes on it. Well, it's nicked into first gear just beautifully. No clunking or banging. And that first engagement went smoothly. And he's out under power now, so we'll just wait till he comes back. And here he comes. Sounding good. Those shorty pipes, it sounds a little rough, but basically I think that's the mufflers. Little stubbies. This kit was so easy to install, it was ridiculous. It just bolt in, bleed, and it worked. And the bleeding went very straightforward. So let's go see what Kevin has to say.
Every shift, it just got better and better.
Is that right?
Oh my God. Smooth, up and down. Nice, compression when you release it. It's good.
You like that bike?
Oh man, yeah, this is a good bike. This is one of those that if somebody said, hey, I'll give you this for a smoking deal, I'd consider it.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah, it's sweet. Plenty of acceleration, all the electrical work.
I could hear the pipes. I mean,
Yeah, I would probably change out the pipe personally, but the
yeah.
customer likes these.
Yeah.
So, yeah, you get a little backfiring, but that's the pipes.
That's the pipes.
That's the pipes, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, she's good to go.
Good go.
She's beauteous.
All right,
Nice.
I will post this and give you the link, and you can send it to your client.
Sounds great.
Okay, we're
Cool.
done. We're
Thank
done. Okay.